Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abra, and here on this channel I do everything about cleaning, cooking, organizing and motherhood. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please consider to subscribe and let's stay connected.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance.
Today I'm sharing with you another weekly laundry motivation video. I have 2 baskets that I'm gonna start sorting. The other basket has some bed sheets and other stuff that I'm going to be saving for next time I do laundry again. If you need someone to hang out with today while you tackle your laundry, go ahead and put me on your screen, and as always I really appreciate it if you give this video a like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and let's get this done together. I have a total of 5 loads to tackle, and before I start my first load, I'm just going to give a quick wipe down to my washing machine and do a refill on my Tide laundry pods. I'm going to start my first load with our towels. In addition to regular laundry detergents, I like to use baking soda and vinegar, which are both natural cleaners and really effective deodorizers that help keep your towels fresh and free of odors. So if you're looking for a way to get rid of stinky towels, next time you're doing your laundry, don't forget to add baking soda and vinegar to your load. And this is the way I like to set my machine whenever I'm washing my towels. I always like to set it on the hardest cycle.
I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that? It's just stupid.
If you're doing laundry today, let me know in the comment how many loads are you doing. And just a quick reminder, don't forget to wash your laundry basket before you put your clean, fresh linen back in it.
Everything we could. I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no. Don't need you here to feel alright. yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah.
This is what my color culture looks like at the end. This thing works really good. If you're someone that doesn't like separating colors, this should be your best friend and you won't have to worry about any color runs.
I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah.
So I planned on finishing this video in one day, but my toddler had other plans. And this is the mess he made for me, guys. So you guys can see, this is the mess my son made. He poured all his sister's baby powder on the floor. So yeah, this is what I'm doing next off camera, and I'll finish laundry tomorrow. Yes, hashtag mom life. He literally emptied a whole bottle. Yep, it's empty. Alright guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the rest of the laundry. So this is the next day and I have a total of 3 loads to fold, but here I combined 2 loads. So after this you're gonna see me fold 1 more load and that'll be it. So yesterday we spent our whole evening cleaning this baby powder. It was everywhere, all over the house, and this thing just brought back my allergies. You can even hear it in my voice. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this folding, and I will let you enjoy the rest of the music.
I'm weak for you, yeah, you, yeah. wake up in the morning,